What else have we got here? Okay. So once we do that, that's pretty much the planning process for our project. So once we've got the planning plan down, then we can start to carry out the project, follow the steps, and we're just going to work the project through. And hopefully we'll come to the point where we've got a beautiful project to show at the end of it. But that's not the end of the project. The end of the project, because what we're learning here is we're not just doing the project for the sake of doing it. We want to learn the process of doing a project so that we can repeat it and do it better and better next time. So what we're going to do with our finished project is, we are going to present our project. So we're going to, in this instance, I'm going to present it to 3 friends. And the way I'm going to present it is I'm going to let them experience this video, and I'm going to get them to lie down maybe, or sit down and go through the video that I've created. And also as part of that, I'm going to describe to those people the benefits of doing that thing. So that's just, my ideas around presenting it. We also want to assess the success of the project. Okay, so that means that we want to check, do we think we did it well? Did we not do it well? And the first way that we can do that is, were our goals met? So we can go back to our goals from before, and we're going to check if they're all met. If we've met all our goals, then the project's probably a success. If there's goals that we haven't met, possibly not. But we need to just review that next to the goals. What else? We're also going to have a look at the process that we followed. We want to check out, did the things that we were planning, did it work? Did they not work? Why did they work? Why did they not work? So reviewing the steps that we've done can be very helpful for us in future projects as well. And lastly, we want to look at specifically anything that didn't work. So if there was things that didn't work, we want to use it as a learning opportunity. We want to, identify those things and understand them, and look at maybe how we can do it better, or how we can plan better for next time. Criteria achieved, that means like the small little criteria, they're like little goals. Did we achieve all the little goals? Did we do things on time? We can check for those sorts of things, because that's part of the project's success as well. And a great way to check your project success is to seek feedback. So that means ask other people, what did you think? Do you think it's good? Did you not think it's good? Why was it good? Why was it not good? What did you like? What did you not like? So we can do, maybe even if we could do that informally, we could just ask people, what did you think of that? Or if we're really serious about it, we can do it more formally and maybe have a survey or something where we have some questions that we want to ask, and we present that, and then we actually collect the data so that we know more accurately, what was good or what wasn't good. So there you go. For this project, I was thinking, so you could seek feedback from professionals. So maybe that's, for me, that might be other people that I work with, or I could ask from even the class, because in a sense that's a professional place. Or I could ask peers. So I could ask some of my friends. I could try it with some friends. Did they like it? Did they not? And I put feedback form there, because I'm thinking maybe I will use a feedback form at the end. So this is my mind map, really, that has all the planning that I want to use for planning my project. And hopefully that gives you a little outline of what you can do. Obviously, it doesn't have to be the same as this. This is just an example, but it's a good way, I think, to just break the project into its steps, and to think about, we need to start thinking about, what we're doing, why we're doing it, and all these different aspects. And then hopefully our project's going to be successful in the end. and we can learn. If it's not, we can learn from why it wasn't, and we'll do it better next time. So yeah, I think that's pretty much about everything I want to talk about planning a project at this stage. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If you want, there was another video that I made without the specific example that has some slightly different information. I'll put a link of that for that video in the description as well. Thanks very much for listening, and I will catch you in the next video.